All right. Let's go ahead and move on. The next team, if I've got it right, is Panoptic. This is Adam, Richard, Andre, and William. You're up.
Hi, I'm Adam, and joining me today are Will, Richard, and Andre. We are a team with backgrounds in CS and business and experience and passion for self-driving technology. We seek to create a simulator to test edge cases in autonomous vehicle algorithms. The current state of the autonomous vehicle industry can be described as the long tail of autonomous driving, a state in which 99% of the time the vehicles work well, but during 1% of extreme situations, the vehicles fail, and sometimes fatally. One bottleneck is attributed to data. Driving 10,000, 100,000, 1 million miles, and you may only run into these extreme cases once. In order to reach full self-driving capability, as described by Sergey, AV companies need to be confident that their algorithm has been tested against this wide variety of circumstances, and this is where our simulators come in. We have interviewed a variety of end users across different AV companies, ranging from startups to industry leaders, and we have found the current AV simulation landscape usually falls into two categories. One, not being used at all, and two, requiring handcrafted scenarios usually created by dedicated QA engineers. And the problem facing simulators today are, one, they require a migration process, and two, the scenes need to be handcrafted, as I said before, and handcrafting means introducing bias. We seek to address these problems by making scene generation easy and less susceptible to bias. Our proposed solution is to provide a platform for queryable scene generation using descriptions in common human language. For instance, an AV algorithm engineer might want to see how their algorithm performs during a scenario in which a ladder falls off a pickup truck in front of them. Instead of going through a long-winded process requiring several teams and dedicated engineers, they would simply enter our platform and type a ladder falling off a pickup truck in front of them. And hundreds of test cases would be generated with all sorts of varying conditions, testing the algorithm against them and searching for failures. With our solution, we're enabling scalable AV deployment to drive forward into the future.